Now the next topic is that is Argand plane. As we define complex number, so we have to define how can we represent a complex number. So we will discuss here in detail Argand plane and polar representation of a complex number. So first of all, we are going to discuss the topic that is Argand plane. What does Argand plane describe? That is as the geometric representation of a complex number is very useful because it relates the whole idea of complex number as an ordered pair in R square. As complex number are typical one, so it is very easy to locate these complex number because complex numbers are converted into ordered pair and that can be located in a form of R square plane, that is XY plane. So as we know that corresponding to each ordered pair of real number XY, we get a unique point in XY plane. Similarly, a complex number say x plus eta y, which correspond to, as we know that every complex number can be written in the ordered pair, which correspond to the ordered pair x comma y, that can be represented geometrically as a unique point P of xy in xy plane. The plane having a complex number assigned to each of its points is called complex plane, or in short form we can say that a plane which consists the ordered pair of a complex number is called complex plane or the Argand plane. So Argand plane is that plane which consists complex number. So if the complex number is purely real, so the point on x-axis correspond to the complex number of the form a plus iota 0, that is purely real number, and hence the points on y-axis correspond to the complex number of the form 0 plus iota b, that is purely imaginary number. So, in Argand plane, x-axis is real axis and y-axis is named as imaginary axis, and point represent in Argand plane is, that is complex number. So it was all about the Argand plane.